This is our EasyBuys application. So first of all, let us sign out. This is the sign up page. We can give a demo user with a demo email as its username. We can provide a demo password and phone number as well. The password cannot be less than 6 characters here. So as you can see, the email has already taken, so we have done the email verification as well. So this is the dashboard where we can see the various categories, the brands, and the latest products that have been added to the system. Here, as we can see, the cart is 0 at the moment. No any products in the cart. So to add the products in the cart, let us select the product and press on add to cart. We can also search the products. For example, and we can also add to cart. We can see that we have many products here, and we have the categories: men's fashion, phones and telecom, computer services, office and security, jewelry and watches, home, pet and appliances. These are all the categories that we have, and inside the categories we have the products. When we add the cart, now let us go for the checkout process. So we select on the cart. We can remove any item if we like to. For example, let's remove one item from the cart. Then let's go for the checkout. Here we should provide our address. This is all the demo. Then we select our shipping method. Then we have two types of payment: cash on delivery and digital payment. Digital payment is through PayPal, and cash on delivery is obviously cash on hand. So after we do this, we click on proceed. Here we can see the order message has been placed. A message is also pops up here, as well as we have a notification here of the pending order. And our cart is 0 at the moment after the checkout is done. Here we can see our order being placed here, the time of delivery, cancelled products or orders. Our address is saved here. We can delete the address. Similarly, we have our currency option here. We can choose AUD or USD. And we can sign out from here. So this was our demo of our mobile application. This application is made using Dart programming language and Flutter software development kit. Our project name is EasyBuys. Our group members are Kushal Pokhrel, Rubina Gurung, Hemant Aryal, and Akshya Karki. Thank you so much.